We've got a spinner. Clayton Kingman has spun the Lotus 59 on the exit of Molecombe. That's got light front end suspension damage. I'm not a suspension expert, but those front wheels are pointing in different directions. Here's a replay. It's gone into Molecombe. It's a little bit greasy still there. He's not going that quick at all, but the car rotates on him and it grips up and touches the bales fairly gently, but it's just popped one of the front wheels in the wrong direction. So that will be recovered. There's a replay from further up the road. Yeah, and a reasonably gentle knock.
I mean, I've been insulted by aluminium. I've been strangled by Ricardo.
Very grunty Nissan engine in the back, as we heard.